2, 3.
हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम अच्छा कैसे हैं आप? Good morning to everyone. My name is Mohammad Yunus Mustafa and I am studying in 7th B, and today I want to tell you about if I am a president for a day. If I am a president for a day, I would be taking it as my opportunity to do something for the people and share positive thoughts in the lives of the people, and one day is not enough for doing everything change. And I would be focused on some important areas that would be get some immediately impact on it. And firstly, I would be focused on education. Every child should deserve safe education, and there is no matter how they live and how much money their family has. And I would be also make sure that making education relevant on today's world, because child can be do something for their future, and for these children school have to be free some essential affordable things to them. And secondly, I would be focused on environment. Making a climate change is one of the biggest challenge to us, and I would be focused some renewable schemes to protect our planet. And I will be focused on giving more resources of wind power, idle, solar system, etc. And I would be also focused on don't use plastic materials, recycling the materials, and giving our planet healthy to our future generation. And thirdly, I would be focused on healthcare system. Everyone should deserve safe and healthy health, and there is no matter how they live and how much money they have. And the hospital should give some affordable medicines free to them. And I would be give some schemes for taking your health seriousness. And I would also take my opportunity to do saving health for immediately health services for poor and elder peoples. And I would be make sure that no background of the people should be checked. And I would be conclude my topic here saying that if I am a president for a day, I would be take it as my opportunity to do something for the people. And as a president, it comes a lot of responsibility, and I would be do my best. And if I am a president for a day, I would be focused on education, environment, and healthcare system. Thank you to one and all. Shukriya, Ahmed Saab.